Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with K Montes Art Studio. And as you just saw, that was yesterday's 12 Days of Christmas, Vlogmas, whatever this has turned into. So we've been painting cards for about 8 days. And this little mini series has been so much fun. So I wanted to kind of create my own for this one. This one was inspired again by folk art, but I've always loved sort of creating these little floral leaf stem sort of situations where they all flow into each other. So I took that as an inspiration, and I did wanted to keep it Christmas theme. So I only used 2 colors, red and green. And I just kind of went with the flow. I did do a pre-sketch of this initial drawing, so that helped to kind of know where I was placing things. So what I did was pretty much sketch out the different locations of the little stems, and then I went into drawing the leaves. Some of them have sort of pine needles, holly leaves, have a couple of little like rose bud looking flowers. And I love making these little swirly bits. So a few of those have those. I loved how this one was starting to turn out and just combining the different greens and playing around with layering. Also, can we just talk about how much I love Tombos? I wanted so badly to use gouache for this one, but I was like, oh my god, Tombos are so much easier. I'm a very convenient artist, and whatever is the easiest to kind of just get me going is what I will gravitate to first. So, um, yeah, I guess you can call me lazy because this was the easiest way to accomplish this card. Again, just thinking about the size of the card and the detail that went into it, and just thinking about how meticulous I would have to had been with the gouache paint would have been super challenging. But again, thinking about how I wanted this series to be, and it was all about fun and just letting loose, finding my illustration style, and being free. So that was today's video. I hope that you enjoyed this cute little drawing of folk art florals, and stay tuned for the last 2 days. I look forward to hearing your thoughts. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.